do the photo op already. Or you're going to speak first? Okay, alright. Then? Abel.
Hello po. Holy Family Parish Church. Kamusta po kayo? Mabuti naman po kayo? Yes po. Ayun po, sana po magustuhan niyo yung pelikulang inahandog po namin sa inyo. Ayun po, I talk so much. Kulit mo. I talk so much about family and love, and ayun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa buhay natin. Just to have that in our heart. So, I hope after this film, mapuno po tayo ng pagmamahal at ma-spread po natin to sa isa't isa. Ayun po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Of course, we'd like to thank si Inang, our very own Inang, Direk Olive Lamasan. Thank you po. And greetings po sa ating mga members sa Holy Family Parish Church. Vista Real. Opo, classical. Alam po namin na para sa ating community. And of course, we're just really excited for you to watch the film because ito po talaga yung nagme-mirror ng ating society. At alam po namin na lahat po tayo ay makaka-identify sa mga characters na pinoportray po namin. And I hope magustuhan po ninyo yung pelikula so that we can spread the word para meron pa po kami trabaho after this. Maraming salamat po. God bless you. Enjoy the film.
Okay, so John, picture making na. May bonus po mamaya, darating si Miss Maricel Soriano. Na-delay lang po kasi na-traffic sa EDSA. But she's coming after the show po. Okay, so